The natural minor scale is constructed by following a specific pattern of whole steps and half steps. The pattern goes as follows: whole, half, whole, half, whole. Just like with the major scale in any scale in music, this pattern remains consistent regardless of which note you start on. Now let's apply this pattern on the piano. We'll start with the A natural minor scale because it consists of only white keys, making it easy to understand. So let's begin on note A and follow the pattern. Whole, half, half, whole. So you just played the A natural minor scale. It's a very melancholic sound, making it ideal for creating emotive and moody melodies. To fully grasp the concept of the natural minor scale, it's essential to practice it with both hands, starting on different notes and transposing it to various keys. Once you're comfortable with the A natural minor scale, try transposing it to other keys by following the same pattern of whole and half steps. For example, the G natural minor scale starts on G, and you apply the same pattern. So you go whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Mastering the natural minor scale opens up opportunities to convey a wide range of emotions through your music. In conclusion, understanding the natural minor scale is a pivotal step in your musical journey. It empowers you to create hauntingly beautiful melodies and adds depth to your piano playing. So once again, thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.